All right. Hey loves, it's Chellbee and welcome back to another studio vlog. We are on studio vlog 3. Wow, time is flying by. Anywho, so I'm gonna hop right into today's studio vlog. Today I am actually, as you can see, I am unboxing a printer, a label printer that I got. It's a thermal label printer, and I will make sure to link it below in the description box. I got it from Amazon. There was actually like an Amazon deal on it, so I got it for like 80, maybe 90 bucks max by the time like taxes and everything came into play. But it was a really good deal, so I went ahead and grabbed that. And what you're seeing here is just me setting it up. It was super easy to set up. I have been using it now for at least a month, I would say. The only thing that kind of is annoying about it is that it does have to be your default printer, and because I print so much, obviously for the shop, it is like annoying to have to switch to printer all the time. But other than that, it's been great. I really like not having to use my printer ink for printing out labels, and like most of all, I just like not having to cut out labels by hand anymore. Like that was just becoming so painful and making the packing process really difficult when I was packing orders, mainly just because of all the other things that I have to do with my hands in order to get orders done. But yeah, so I really like this thermal printer and would recommend it if you are looking for one. I will make sure to link it in the description box. On this day in particular, I'm actually working before work, so I didn't do a whole bunch on this day. Besides, I was cutting out do not bend stickers, so I decided to make some custom ones. I don't know why I didn't do this initially, but for some reason I just forgot about the fact that I needed do not bend stickers on my packages. I randomly got something in the mail from Amazon that and it was bent and it shouldn't have been bent, and it just reminded me that I needed to put do not bend stickers on my packages. I mean, is that gonna make them listen? Probably not, but I still want to do my due diligence and put it on the package. So that is what I'm doing here. And then as you can see, I kind of waved my cards in front of your face. I was also going ahead and printing out some cards. So I was just kind of doing a little bit of double duty before starting the 9 to 5. So yeah, I'm gonna hush. That's literally all I'm doing here. I also had to go ahead and take sorry, my voice wants to go out so bad. I had to take some new photos, or rather photos of my greeting cards. I made some blank greeting cards to go with the Who God Says You Are set. It's basically a themed, I kind of did like a month of Who God Says You Are, different types of products with those same verses. So I went ahead and made a blank greeting card set, which is available in the shop. And as you can see, I'm just taking some photos of those greeting cards. I also did go ahead and record myself editing those photos. I use ipiccy. I hope that's how you say it. If it's not, forgive me. But that is what I use to edit my photos. It's a free website where you can edit your photos, and I have found it to be really, really helpful. One, because it's free, but two, because the way that they allow you to edit, which I'll show you, you can do it like in layers, which really makes a difference and helps it to look more natural when you're editing your photos. So I really do like using it, and I did make sure to include a clip here of me editing my photos so that you could see what it looks like and what I do during the process. I don't do anything complicated. I don't know how to use Photoshop, so clearly I don't have super advanced photo editing skills, but I know what I like things to look like, and so yeah, there's that. Anyways, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I have a little guest of mine who wants to tell you guys to do something. You gonna tell him, Rosie? What do you want to tell him? Tell him. Say it in the microphone.
I want to interview and subscribe to our channels. And I want to do this craft channel if it's still is. subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.